Media firsts that pushed minds. On May 19, 1921, an audience listened as the opera Marta was performed at Denver's Municipal Auditorium and broadcast live by radio station 9ZAF. This was the first time a complete opera was transmitted over the airwaves, demonstrating radio's power to bring culture into people's homes. In a pioneering outside broadcast, the BBC aired a live duet between cellist Beatrice Harrison and a nightingale in her Surrey garden. This program charmed listeners and demonstrated radio's ability to capture and share the natural world, instantly becoming a beloved broadcast. Scottish inventor John Logie Baird successfully transmitted a television signal from London to Hartsdale, New York. This marked the first transatlantic television broadcast, proving the viability of long-distance visual communication and foreshadowing global live television. Save and follow for more techie history.